How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm air frying some chicken Kievs. I don't even know what you call these things. They're on sale for 88 cents. So I got two kinds. I got the buffalo style chicken and the chicken with broccoli and cheese. So I'm air frying it at 400 for 20 minutes. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. I'm using my Ninja Foodi extra large, grill. So I got some fries in here and 3 chicken Kievs. I call them chicken Kievs, but I don't know what they call. So I just put some seasoning on my fries and some pepper on the chicken doodads. And I got a sheet of foil up under them. So I'll be back when they're done. And they have to be thoroughly cooked because there's raw chicken in here. It's wrapped up in breading and it has stuff inside that's rolled up inside the... This has cream cheese in it. They do sell these at Walmart, but they're always $1.49, which is too much. So I went to another store and they had them for 88 cents each, so I got quite a few of them. I like them a lot. I put hot sauce on them. It's good eating. Walter just wanted one, so he got one, I got 2. With the fries. So I'll be back when they're done. Okay, I just changed, got comfortable, flipped everything in here, and it has a little over 4 minutes left to cook. I'm going to show y'all these chips that are really, really, really good. Lay's hot sauce, potato chips. I have kicked the flaming hot chips to the curb. These are good. These are really, really good. I can only find them at one store. So it's at Jewel Food stores. They don't have them at Walmart at all. So this is my 3rd bag I've bought since they've been out. They're really, really, really good. The hot sauce flavor. Lay's. Let me check this food. Flip the fries too. I'm going to check with a meat thermometer. Like I said, this is raw chicken in here, so it has to cook. $154, $156. These start out frozen. I don't think I mentioned it. Okay, a little more cooking so the chicken can get good and done. 162. I want it to get to at least 165. So if you have an air fryer, invest in a instant read meat thermometer. This one here is the Thermo Pro. This is given to me by Used to Be Honey. And then he got mad at me. Because he had sent me so much stuff and I didn't invite him to my house. So, you got something to give me, give it to me. I don't know why he expected something. Tripping. But I'm still using it. I appreciate it, but I didn't like his attitude. So I'm going to cook the entire 20 minutes. So it's 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to declare this done right now. We have 59 seconds left. It's done, so I'm turning it off. Unplug it. Let me take this off to get a thumbnail. Okay. I still don't know what to call these things. That's some of the broccoli and cheese sauce that's leaking out from where I stuck it with the meat thermometer. So I call them chicken Kiev. Until somebody can tell me different. Okay, here's my chicken Kiev and a few fries. Here's Walter's. I'm gonna put hot sauce on mine. They're nice and crispy. They're crispy. It's a breading, seasoned breading. I'm gonna cut it and let y'all see how it looks inside. But first, the hot sauce. Put it down to cut it. I'm gonna cut it in half. Ooh, the broccoli and the cheese. Now I'm gonna take the camera off. Okay, this is broccoli and cheese in here. I feel stupid if I dump it. Well, that's what it looks like without me dumping the whole basket. Trying to open it up more. It's piping hot. And it's really, really good. So I just cut a piece of the chicken and some of the filling. See, it's piping hot. All you need is maybe 2 of these and a salad. That's a meal. Very, very good. The filling is delicious. Very good. Good eating, y'all. For real, for real. If you never tried it, try it. But you must cook it thoroughly, because it starts out frozen with raw chicken. So get your meat thermometer and test it first. About to get my eat on. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.